was an explosion, right? So I was not so silly because I told you it sounded like a bomb. I'm gonna sell my dad. I think I will know in like around 20 minutes. Come here, baby. Baby, look.
I know.
Why is it go? Why does it go so high?
That's not. That has to be something fueling the thing.
Like flammable?
Huh?
Like
Yeah.
flammable? Could it be a car caught on fire?
You see that?
Could it be a car caught on fire?
No, a car fire cannot cause that much fire.
So is it an accident? Or someone meant to do that? That is scary. Oh my god. I want to see the other side though. Dang, look, it's still burning. How come there's no fire truck? Does it cross your mind? Baby, baby,
What?
imagine it happened right there.
No.
Or imagine it happened right here. It is a little bit closer over there. There's no one lives there. Is it lucky? God, imagine here. You wanna go over there and look at it?
No.
Why not? Why not?
Because?
I'll put some fan on. Look.
But don't lock it. Yeah, don't lock it.
I never noticed this time how many people live here.
Firefighters are coming finally.
It's not even that far. Where are they coming from? Hisparia?
I think so. There's a freaking fire station on 11 and freaking.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, look. It's still burning. Come on. Oh, look. See that? Do you see that?
Yeah, I see it.
It was like all the way. Look. It's all the way over there. Dang, how long did it take this car to come here? Only 1, 2.
Let's get close to the street.
Sound like they're coming from that side too.
That has to be something fueling. No way that's a car. If it was a gas tank, it could be a gas tank or it could be the gas main line of the whole city.
Oh, I know. Leak?
She can explode.
I know, because you see how high
Yeah.
it goes? It couldn't be gas. I mean, it couldn't be gasoline liquid, because it would be on the floor, right? So, you mean like a gas pipe? Oh my god. I'm so scared. I heard it like, I heard the
big fireball.
Oh yeah. You see something fell down?
Holy crap, this is going out of control.
Huh? Look, it's going higher and higher.
I know.
That is... Oh! Do you see that, baby? It's closer and closer to that side. Do you see that? Oh, because of the wind?
This is being recorded on an iPhone 4, brought to you by Apple.
Oh, shut up. That's not cool. Oh my god. She's really quiet. Should I go check on her?
Yeah, go for
I
it.
don't want to miss this.
It's being recorded by Apple. Bring my phone too. It's on the street already, getting front to the animal hospital. O sea, van a quemarlos como los perritos se van a quemar.
Yeah.
The animal hospital is gonna burn up.
Oh my god.
That's why the people took the fuck off. That green station wagon just went by. They live in the house across the street from that gas main.
So there's a gas line, right?
I'm sure, well, if you look at it, if you go on the other side over here, look on the other side of the fire engine, the flames are this high off the ground. That's usually a gas main.
But I'm afraid it's the animals at the animal hospital.
Oh yeah, there is 2 dogs in there. How did this go get through?
Oh shit. Poor animals. Let's get
Do
closer.
we have anyone know that we know that live down there? Do we think it's just run away by now?